Hello student, I hope you are doing well. So in this program we'll start a basic program how you can run a Java program on CMD or in NetBeans. So in this video I'll just teach you can run this program on CMD once you install a Java and set up a Java environment. So I recommend you to watch a previous video. I'll put a link on this video comment section. You check the link on the comment section and watch that previous video how to set up a Java environment. Then it's easy for you to use, or else you can install a NetBeans. Then you can run like a C program. All right. Here I have two windows. One is a dev C++. I hope you already familiar with this dev, how you can write a C program and run a C program. And here I just have an plain notepad. Okay, before I go ahead, let me start to run a basic C program. Okay, how many lines is take, then it's possible to run a very basic program in C. All right. Now in C, let me write this hash include CLUDE stdio dot h. This is mean that before we go ahead with any C program, we need to import this library from C. Okay, from C compiler. Now after that we need a main method, or you can put a integer also, but you need to return. Then this is possible only 5-line code. All right, now printf. Let me write here, let me terminate this line with semicolon and write hello world. All right, WORLD, hello world. Okay, this is a very basic program in C. You need this hash include always. We need to call a library file, and then main is compulsory in any program. Without main you are not possible to return whatever you write here. All right, now once you save and compile this program, there is no error. Okay, now let me go with Java also. So for Java, here is a plain notepad. I just write this class. Okay, class let me put this test. Okay, any name. You can put this program name also. You can put test, you can put A, B or C, but remember carefully here, keep in mind that once you name here, once you save also, you need to save with the same name from here. You cannot change this name. If you wish to change this name, then while you are save this program also, you need to save with the same name you have changed. All right, now let me complete this program. This is class test. Now see, in Java we always start with class. As you know, Java is a platform independent programming. You can write one and run anywhere. It means you write in Windows, run in Linux, run in Mac OS, run in Android also. Yes. Now in C, once you compile this program, it will generate for you a executable file. It means that you can run only in Windows. Now in Java, once you once you compile this, it will generate a bytecode. So if you take that bytecode or copy that bytecode, then you can run any platform. All right, I hope you understand that the difference between now. So for Java, class keyword is compulsory before you start. All right, now even in Java also we need a main method, but in Java there are some keyword you need to extend. That is public. Okay, when we talk public, I hope you already know what is public. When we put public, it means that we can access from anywhere. Okay, static. Okay, static keyword you'll understand later, but you'll understand this static variable, final variable later. But here just understand this public static. Why? Main. See here, this is main method, and in C also there is a main method. All right, now in Java also there is a main method, but in Java we need to extend with string argument also. All right, then you can run a program args. Now this is possible. And even this array you can put from before args or after args, also fine. All right, now see, in Java we are not start a program body like C print lf only 5 line, and in Java is already taken 4 line here. All right, 4 line. But now if I want to write this, I need to close class and close main method. Why I close this 2 here? Because I already open once from here, then this is to close, and this is open, and this is the close. You need to take care about this. If you think about Python, all right, so many students wants to learn Python. Yes, the same program you can run in Python, but in Python you no need this all this. You need only 1 line. All right, you can try that one, but just understand for Python we don't have this open close. That is, this is called indentation, but in Python you need to take care about indentation. Alright, I'll not talk too much about Python. If you wish to learn, you can learn online also, fine. Then if you wish to watch my video on Python also, you can watch my previous video on Python. Now let me write this, let me print this hello world, but for Java we need this system.out. Out mean output, okay? Out system.out dot print ln. Alright, now without ln also it possible. If I remove this ln also it possible, but this ln it need that once you have to print 2 more line, or it indicate for next line. But for C we need to push /ln/n. Now here I need to write hello world. All right, now I hope you see here the difference. Now for Java it take how many lines? 7 lines. All right, 7 lines for Java. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lines. And for C only 5 lines it possible to run a very basic program. And in Java it take you till 7 lines it possible to run a very basic program. Yes, if we want to minimize a line it possible. If we try to minimize the line, but it's not look good. All right, now I'll teach you how to minimize this line. If you want to minimize, okay, let me run this program, then you'll understand. Let me save this C. As I said, C you can save any name, just click save as. Then let me go to local DC. Let me create one folder here, this program called testing. Okay, let me rename this program just A. Okay, just a capital A. Inside this capital A, let me name this program is test C. Okay, test dot C. I just named this program also test, but this is extension C. Don't forget to put this extension .c. It's very easy for you to run this program. Yes, you can select this one also, but you need to write a int. All right, now just put .c after test or any name, or I can run this program abc also .c. All right, now save. Now if I compile this program, no error. If I run this program, it will print a hello world. All right, now let me check where is why is not print. Maybe there are some issue. Okay, compile. All right, let me run. There is no issue. Okay, now as you seen here, it print this hello world. Once I run again also, you'll see this hello world here. And in Java I cannot name any name, because if I wish this name, then I have to save this name. If I don't like this name, if I want to remove abc, then I have to save also abc. All right, but for C, no name here, no class name here, but we are not care to save any name. All right, let me name this class also capital A, then I'll save also with capital A. All right, let me go to this same folder, this A only, and even the Java file also a.java. You need to save with extension.java, for C with extension.c. All right, Now, before I compile this Java class, let me check a folder name. Inside the folder, what happened? All right, let me go that folder, this folder A. Okay, then for C, I already run and compile. You'll see this is executable file. If you click in the if you go to the extension, then check this what I mean, no, this is folder. If you right click here and click on the properties and click on this detail, you will find here, no, not in detail, this general also, you will find this exe executable file. This is application, right? This is a Windows application. All right, now in Java I have not compiled yet, then only this file a.java. If you wish to open this with any editor also, this is Notepad++, you see same. But once I compile here, it will generate a bytecode. Okay, I'll put the assignment on bytecode, then you'll understand what is mean this bytecode. Okay, now I recommend you to watch that previous video. You'll know how to set up this Java environment, then you can run direct through CMD. But for me, I have not yet set a Java environment, then I need to go to this location where I install Java. So I install a Java on C, then I have to go to this program 86, then here is Java folder and open a JDK, go to bin folder, then go check, here is Java C is here, then you can copy this bin, then go to CMD and type path equal, then press enter. All right, now we need to locate our file that a.java and even the folder also a, then I need to type cd.a, hit enter, then call the file name. So before we call a file name, we need to call a Java compiler, Java C, now space a.java. Don't confuse. Here cda, it means a is my folder name and a is different, a.java is mean my class files. Okay, if there is no error, then it will go to the next line once you press enter. All right, now is no error. Now I have not yet run this program, I just compile. But if you go to that folder, if you go to that folder A, then you will find here a class. This is bytecode. If you wish to open this on Notepad, all right, in Notepad++, this is bytecode. All right, this is bytecode. This you can run anywhere. All right, I hope you understand. And even this also, if you open this on Notepad, if I edit it, it's not supported. Even this class also, this is not supported, then it's shown that only that you cannot read that, you cannot read this one. All right, now let's run this. Okay, let's run this. Now once you run, you need to remove this C. Okay, you need to remove this C, you need to remove this .java also. Only Java space a, and hit enter, it will print a hello world here. All right, now I hope you understand how you can run this a very basic program in Java with CMD. Then for NetBeans, you can simply write direct to the program body. For that we'll see later, but I recommend you to use a notepad, a plain notepad. Then if you want to be a good programmer, use a notepad, a plain notepad or a notepad++. You'll remember all this spelling and important keyword in Java. If you use a IDE like NetBeans and Eclipse, you will forget the spelling of important keyword in Java. So I hope this video will help you. I'll see you soon in next video. Thank you.